Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
UMP ka Raja Sabha Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi habay keren beginong thok kubor haka sngi balang haka bayade bat ka kam khaput ulong ba kani kamat kadang non haka kenrum kenram henry ka Sorkar hapo ka jingyalam ke NPP kala shim khia ban penbet am ban penbiet election habayade bat ka jingong ba kani ka de tang ban penbiet election ulong kani ka shong haki pat ba ban shim ya karai la ka de ni em tang ka jing penbiet election u Dr. Kharlukhi ula benrap da ka baong ba ka Sorkar kali e kani namar kani ka de kamat ka bala sateng nadu kipor ka Sorkar barim ula ong ru bawat u Dr. Mukul sangma u klem la ban pen urlong ha kapor ba ulong kumu menteri rang ba nolor kata ula ong ru ba ka Sorkar jong Dr. Mukul bat ka Sorkar ba Mynta kaya Ïapher ha Rukom Trei kam namar ka NPP ka de ka Sorkar ka ba Trei shitom na ka benta upat ba.
So let the people decide. State comprised of 36 lakhs. 36 lakhs of this. Whether what we did is wrong or whether what we did is right. We will go to the people. We are sincere in our doing, so the people will decide.
You wait till the elections?
No. We have gone ahead now with the first phase. Now we are going with the second phase. So we will go to the people. We are sincere. It was so long. That's why I said we are always in the receiving end. Status quo, encroachment from Assam. So I don't know that the people would like status quo. Assam keep on encroaching and we do nothing. You see, like these people, I said they are against us. So I told them, I put a challenge to them. You tell us that if you are in power, when you will solve this, give us an exact date that you will solve. Don't keep on criticizing. Even Mukul, he should give an exact date that if he is elected, then he will solve the problem within 2 years or 3 years. They are not doing anything. I told CM just now, for 50 years we go on status quo. What is the status quo of the other government, which is Mukul government? Status quo, Assam keep on encroaching. And what did they do? Last time I did mention in the paper, when our people were killed, shooting by Assam police. Who's the chief minister at that time? What he did to those Assam police? Did he take them here, put them in jail? We lost innocent life. So we cannot. You see, this dog in a manger policy should stop. Let us do something for the state. Don't play politics with the people of the state. You got the time to do it, you're not doing it. When people are doing it, you're stopping it. It's a dog in a manger policy. I think this is right for my people to save them from what happened in the border, like what I told you. We are always at the receiving end. We are doing it for our people. Well, if our people rejected us, we cannot do anything. But at least, like what CM has said, 20 years down the line, I will, at least, when at that time I'll be very old, I can just tell, at least I'll be able to